Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to Globo Arte Mixing Page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're going to be looking at what actually sells on the Zazzle, like what type of product or what type of niches should you need to target on Zazzle to actually make sales, because I think I've been getting a few of the comments regarding the Zazzle and people are confused. They don't know what kind of products they want to produce on Zazzle and what kind of designs or niches they want to target to actually make money on that. So we're gonna be hopping up in our laptop in a second. I'm gonna show you exactly what actually sells according to the Zazzle and the Zazzle marketplace and everything about it. So let's get straight with that. Before going good part, consider clicking the like button guys. I really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos and when we do so you'll be getting notified about it. Also, we have a bunch of the free resources. The link are in the description box below, or simply head over to globalcreator.com. Check out all the freebies that we have. Make sure to check it out each month. And it contains a full commercial license so you can use it. Now let's hover to a laptop and the process of product researching starts. The Zazzle, and you can see I'm on the home page of Zazzle, so we're going to see what kind of products actually sell on the Zazzle. Now on the very first page itself, you can see that it's having a happy birthday Zazzle 25% off right now, and you can see the different kinds of products are there on the Zazzle first page. Now these are the products that are being made by the designers only, like this is the mug, this is the notepad, the luggage tag, and even the business card, and so on and so forth, all being made by the people. You can just scroll down and you can check out the different sections over here. So on the very first page itself, if you actually take a new look, you're gonna find that what actually sells under the Zazzle, because one of the major or most important thing, whenever you land on some website, the website will always going to feature their best sellers or the products that are selling well on their place. They're going to feature all those products on their very first page itself. So that is really a good indicator of knowing what actually is selling on their platform and how you can utilize it. So you can see very well on the first page, the cards and invitations are there. Yes, the paper product sells amazingly well onto the Zazzle. Unlike other print-on-demand platform where the t-shirts, stickers, masks and different products sells and greeting cards doesn't sell that well, but here on the Zazzle, these products sell well, amazingly well. So you can see the cards and invitations are on the first. You can see the invitations, birthday invitations, baby shower, greeting cards, thank you cards, and different kinds of invitation. Then the office and school supplies, which indicates the business cards, labels, calendars, binders, post-it notes, and different kinds of notebooks, general planners. So all these stationery and paper products sell well. Then comes the t-shirts, then come the home wares, and so on and so forth. You can scroll down and you can see that. So this is one of the most important parameter by which you can know what exactly sells on this place. Like whichever product is being featured on the very first page of a platform, that really truly indicates that that particular product is the best seller or it's selling well on that platform. That is really a good indicator. It applies to every other platform on the earth. So you're going to just go over to this one over here. And here are the bunch of the different product varieties, and we're going to see which one sells. That the very first section is the invitation and the cards. That means this is the number one product that's selling amazingly well onto the Zazzle. And I also want to emphasize one thing over here, guys. Don't take Zazzle as a print-on-demand website. Of course, it's a print-on-demand website, but people come on this marketplace to actually use your products or design as a template, and then they customize it according to their needs and then they publish it. Unlike other print-on-demand platforms where the people just go and buy the products, they don't have the facility to actually edit your designs and add their own stuff or edit the name or the text or the logo in the design and add their own and then they can buy. They don't have that facility in other print-on-demand products, in other print-on-demand websites, but here on the Zazzle they have the facility. Anyone can come, a customer can come and can edit the product, edit the template of the different cards and different products according to their needs, and then they can purchase it. So it's not similar to any other print-on-demand platform on this online space. So don't do that mistake which I did. I'm going to leave the video of where I'm talking about what mistake I did and how I rectified it. I'm going to leave them in the card section above. You can check it out. But guys, don't make the similar mistake. This is not a print-on-demand website. Of course it is, but if you're going to take it as a print-on-demand website, then probably you not make, or you're going to make very less money. But if you're considering as a Zazzle, a marketplace, a real marketplace where you can sell your own products, then obviously you're gonna win because you're gonna upload the products according to the marketplace, and people can use your designs as a template, and now they're gonna buy from you. Okay, so you can see the very first thing is the invitation and cards. Invitations and cards are number one products that are selling well onto the Zazzle. There are so many different kinds of invitations, wedding cards, greeting cards. Like there is a huge variety of them. You can very well check out each and every one in the category. And the stationery and accessories also sell well. Stationery comes with the stickers, the buttons, the magnets, the note cards, the notepads, stationery papers, and all different kinds of mailing accessories. Then the second most common thing is the wedding. If you are targeting the wedding niche, then you will definitely going to make a good amount of money onto the Zazzle, because wedding invitations, wedding bundles sells amazingly well. People buy the complete wedding suit, the invitation, the cards, the different kinds of decor and party supplies like the bachelor parties, the wedding decor items, the napkin, plates, signs, table card holders, all these different kinds of stuffs. They also buy the favorite and gifts and all these kind of things that are related to the wedding gifts, wedding invitations, and wedding day and all that. So that is another category. Another one is the clothing and accessories. It's also sells well, similar to other print websites. I think I don't need to talk much about the way of clothing and accessories because you guys already know that. I'm just going to cover only those things which are new to this platform and which is not there or any other print platform out there, so that you would be able to know what is different in the Zazzle and what you can do to actually make more money on the Zazzle. Another thing is the business supplies. Guys, business supplies mostly contain the paper products like the business cards, the flyers, the rec cards, the different kinds of cards, the gift stickers, the discount cards, the thank you cards, the different kinds of banners, the prints, the window decals, and also different kinds of stickers, labels, wrapping papers. So all these are products sells amazingly well. Like paper products are the number one products that are selling well on the Zazzle. Another one is the home care and the personal care. The face mask obviously have a demand right now, but I think probably in the future the face mask would be less sold because of once this pandemic is over, then we don't need the face mask, so probably the face mask would be out at that time, but currently it's selling. Apart from that, you can also sell the different kinds of the bedding, bath, kitchen and dining, all that stuff. Then the craft and the party supplies also sells well because they also contain the paper products like the menu cards, the guest books, the tableware, the balloons, the party hats, all different kinds of gift wrapping paper ideas, the scrapbooking supplies and all that, the electronic items like the different kinds of mouse pads, different kinds of tech accessories and all those things over here. Then again, there is an office, a school, which is different from the business supplies. Here you can see the different kinds of business cards and office and school supplies, the name badges, calendars and planners, which also sells well. Here it's a different, here is a little bit different, the baby and cards and gifts and moments. Amazingly, people use a Zazzle as a sort of a gift. Like they come year over year, and if they have any sort of wedding coming in their home or they themselves have their own wedding, they come over here, see the wedding invitation, edit the template according to the needs, and then they purchase it. So I'm gonna just show you one of the most important and amazing and most in demand category on the Zazzle. That's the wedding invitation. So we're gonna go over to the wedding invitation, and I'm gonna show you different kinds of wedding invitation over here. And of course, if you're just targeting the simple wedding invitation, a keyword, it would be highly competitive, so you need to sub niche down. But I'm going to show you the niches which you can target, and this is just an example, guys. You can very well do for any type of product onto the Zazzle for any type of things. Okay, like this is the flat save the card date, then this is the invitation itself, the response card, the sticker. So these are the products that are selling well. This is also the return address label. So let me just scroll down. These are the different niches, guys. You can see the rustic and backyard, the floral and botanical are kind of like a so common. The elegant, the classic, on a budget wedding invitations, then a boho, all in one wedding invitations, and the photograph, the modern destination. These are the different kinds of niches, guys. You're gonna see over here the shop by color. Okay, the people are shopping according to the color of the cards. So there is a huge variety. You can see a popular wedding invitation. There is a huge variety of different cards and results are there on the marketplace. So the burgundy and the navy, the rose gold, the sake, dusty blue. So there are the different bunch of the colors which you can make. So these are the different ideas and these are the different niches, guys. You can see these are the keywords people are searching onto the Zazzle marketplace. You can use it in your own
Zazzle product as well and can start selling as well. But if you see that if you're just going for the wedding invitation, it's amazingly high competition. So very well you need to sub niche down, going with any kind of card color, wherever you want to go with that, or any kind of theme. So just scroll down and see the different kinds of, most of them are kind of like a floral card. So probably I'm gonna just pick up one niche and show you guys exactly what I really mean by that. So I think I'm gonna go with the rose gold. Let's see, is it a high competitive niche or it's not that competitive? So rose gold have 8,540 results, so it's not that competitive, but you can see that very well most of them are having the floral invitation in this thing. Like you can see most of the invitation are floral. Now this one is, so you can see guys, when people are coming, suppose the people are coming here to buy this particular invitation, okay, they are interested in that. Now you can see that this person has uploaded this invitation onto the Zazzle and it's a template. Okay, they can very well change the card name and everything over here. This is the front side, this is the back side and all. So you can see over the right hand side there is a personalization option is there. The people can personalize according to their own needs. So they can pick up the kind of color, size, shape and all those stuffs over here, and also they can personalize it. So if I'm just going to go with the personalized option, you can see there are the different kinds of option you are getting over. You can change the every sentence of this card. Okay, you can change the pleasure of your company is requested. You can change the bridegroom name over here, the date, the time over here, and you can change the venue, address and everything over here. So you can see people can personalize this card and can use it for their own wedding invitation or for their family one. So this is the one major difference between a Zazzle and any other print on demand website. Like if you're just uploading your design like that only, then people can't edit your templates, and if they can't edit your template, then probably you'll be getting the less sales. And if you are making a product keeping in mind that people are using your product, your design as a template, and then they are editing it, they are personalizing each and every invitation and card and every product onto the Zazzle according to their needs, you're likely to get more sales. Now this is the one example I've shown you about the wedding invitation, guys. You can probably go and see the different kinds of wedding invitation. You can also go and see for the different kinds of products over here, like different kinds of the cars or stationery or accessories, or you can see the different kinds of business supplies, and you can very well go and see it and use it according to your needs. Show you some other product as well. I think I'm gonna go with the business and business supply, no, office and school. Let me just pick up some business cards and show you exactly what I really mean by that. So we're gonna go and pick up the minimalist business card and show you how do they 5,133 search result. That is a minimalistic business cards, and people have made these business cards, and these business cards are minimalism category. Like if you just go and just target a simple business card, then it'll be quite competitive. So obviously you need to pick up a niche, and you can see that I have shown you how to pick up the niche. Like if you just go over to here, you can see the business card. These are the different kinds of niches, like the minimalist, professional, modern, elegant, floral, watercolor, magnetic, and whatever you can choose it. So you can just pick up any kind of business card and you can add it. So let me just show you guys. Pick up this one over here. This is the business card is there. Okay, this is the front, back, there is nothing at the back. Now you can personalize it. So what people do, they just come over this business card, they just click over to the personalize option, and then they edit everything. Like I can write my name over here, like I can change the name, I can do whatever I want to do with that. And then I can change the company name, I can change the contact information, I can even change the logo and add my own logo over here. I can customize this particular template according to my need, and then I can purchase this card. So that is the beauty about this product, or that is the beauty about the Zazzle. Like you can create the different kinds of templates like this, and then you can purchase it. So these are the products that are selling well onto the Zazzle. The paper products sell amazingly well, guys, again and again. And also I've shown you what kind of product niches they are selling and what you can do differently. So I hope that this video really helps you and get you some insights about what you can sell and what actually sells on the Zazzle, so that you can very well go and target according to it and get the good sales from the Zazzle marketplace. And
so that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you really find it useful and enjoyable. Do let me know in the comment section below what do you think. Are you selling onto the Zazzle? Are you making any money on Zazzle? I would really love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video. See you for the next time. Take care.